Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to add zoom effect in CapCut. First, open CapCut and import a video. Then click on the video, then go to the basic tab on the right side and then click on this keyframe icon from scale area. And after some frames, increase the scaling of the video for some amount to zoom in. And here is the preview. And then copy the last keyframe and paste here. And then after some frames, decrease the scaling for zoom out. And here is the preview.
That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.